Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the background of your Zoom video. So go to new meeting, can't talk. I already have mine here, it's just Roblox. But to change it, you're just going to go to video, go to adjust background and effects, and you'll be able to see all of the backgrounds that you've uploaded. You can delete them if you choose to. Just select the X button and press delete. Or you can select from these videos. You can also upload videos other than photos, but that's how you can change backgrounds on Zoom. If you have a green screen, make sure you enable the I have a green screen. Oh my gosh, can I talk? But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.